Hi friends, this is Mrs. Eschbach again, your librarian at Kennedy Elementary, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use some online databases to search for information about a topic that you're interested in. So if you are at the Library 24/7 site, which I showed you how to get to in the last video, you can find our online resources. So go over to the left side right here where it says online resources and databases, and you're going to click. And you have lots of options to choose from. I'm going to show you how to use the first two in our search bar. The first one is Britannica. Britannica is an online encyclopedia, and on an encyclopedia online you can find information about people, places, things, and pretty much anything that you're interested in and want to research more about. So if you're on the Britannica website, you will go up to the top where it says search, and you will type in what you are interested in. So I might type in cowboys because we are the Kennedy Cowboys. And when I type in cowboys, I find out that cowboys lived in Texas. Here's an article about Texas. Here's an article about Kansas and cowboys that lived there, in Wyoming. You'll also notice on the left side, I can click on these buttons. I can find pictures of cowboys. I can look at videos about cowboys. They don't have any right now. I can find the dictionary definition of a cowboy. I can find magazine articles about cowboys. And then this last button where it says lesson plan, that's going to be for your teachers. So if they wanted to, if they wanted to teach you a lesson about cowboys, then they would be able to click on this button and find all the resources that they need. You can also search for other things like elephants. And you can, same thing, you can click on articles, images, videos, dictionaries. You can find all the information that you need about elephants. So that is how you use the Britannica School online encyclopedia. I'm going to go back to our Kennedy website so that I can show you how to use another one that I really like by Scholastic. If you click on this one here, Grolier, which is actually Scholastic Go, you can find another really easy to use online encyclopedia. I'm going to search for elephants because I saw the picture of elephants. And just like the last encyclopedia that we used, you can go here and you can find images about elephants, a video about elephants. You can find all of these articles that are good for your grade level. So since we are in elementary school, we would click on level 1, and all of these articles are here for you to read at your reading level. You can also click over here and go to different websites that show you different links and different information about elephants. So this is a great place to start if you have a topic that you're learning about in class, or maybe something that you're doing a project on, or maybe something that you read about in a book and want to learn more. Scholastic Go and Britannica Online are both really good options. If you have any questions, you can come see me in the library. You can ask your teacher your questions, and then you can also come as a class and I can show you how to search more. I hope that you have a great day, and I will talk to you later. Bye, Cowboys!